Welcome to Jamison Door. Here we design, engineer, and build with one clear mission: to deliver doors and cold storage solutions that stand for durability, efficiency, and absolute reliability.
Jamison Door's name is well known in the industry, but if you're outside the industry, the way I would describe what Jamison Door does is we provide protection for most of the products you probably buy in this country right now. If it's refrigerated, if it's cooled, we probably built the doors that are keeping it safe and keeping it available for you to purchase.
Every day we combine advanced technology with craftsmanship to create insulated doors and custom solutions trusted by partners around the world.
Jamison is committed to always being relevant to our customers. To be relevant, you need to have state-of-the-art technologies, which means you either have to always be developing yourselves or you need to acquire them through acquisition. We do both. And so that commitment to being relevant in the industry really always drives us to be on the leading edge of door technologies.
For more than 9 decades, we have refined our expertise and pushed the boundaries of performance.
Innovation is very important here. The last couple of years, it's been a concerted push to make sure we get new technologies, new breath of fresh air, trying to look at different processes from an outside perspective, just trying to get a fresh look again into doing things maybe a not 100% different way, but perhaps a little bit of a better direction.
Engineering will continue to drive Jamison's growth. It's the backbone of Jamison. It's how we got our name. It's how we'll continue to get our name. With the new additions to our team as the BMP group, we will continue to utilize their knowledge as well as our knowledge to grow the business and grow the product line and create new products to change the way that cold storage is.
At our Gemma-Tuff facility, we extend that commitment into fiberglass reinforced doors.
Our biggest strengths have always been our employees. Our legacy, what has perpetuated the success of this company all these years, it always goes back to the employees. It's amazing the quality of employees that we've been able to attract and keep here at Jamison all these years. We have a wall out in our manufacturing plant that has the names on it of every employee that's worked at the Jamison Door Company for 30 years or more. On that wall, we have over 200 names. We've survived through World War I, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, the Spanish influenza, and now COVID, and we're thriving. We're still growing.
We design and manufacture high-performance solutions for controlled environments where reliability, efficiency, and durability matter most. From food processing and pharmaceuticals to heavy-duty industrial warehouses, we proudly serve our customers with solutions that last.